Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to Gotitmarketing. So in today's video we are discussing copywriting tips, more specifically other words that you can use for new, whether you want to introduce a new product or you want to share something new with your audience. It is really important to step up your copywriting game because the way you write is how you can attract new customers, make them feel some type of way, make them excited. So that is the plan for today's video. So let's get started. So the first list of words I have here is let's go through them. So the first one is you can use, instead of new, use futuristic. So this word you can use especially when you're introducing something that is ahead of times. It is really something futuristic. So that is one word that you can use. The other word you can use is revolutionary. So this is a word that your product is really something new that the world hasn't seen before. It's gonna change the whole game. So this type of word you can use in your sentence instead of new. Another word you can use for new is our just released product. So maybe if your product is now available, or maybe you have just released your product, use this word instead of new. Another alternative you can use is, for example, a newly issued. So this is another way of saying this product is available to buy. Moving on now to the next word, we have the word fresh, which you can also use in your copy to make your copying sounds more like, oh, this is something new or different. So try to use maybe fresh in your copy. Okay, you guys, so let's move on now to the next slide, which I will give you guys more words. And here I have the other ones. So you also can use, instead of using the word new, you can use maybe introducing. Here we are introducing our new product or our brand new product. It's just those little words that can make your sentence more appealing and more attractive, especially to read. Another word you can use is just arrived. So this word gives you the feeling that the product is new and it's ready to be sold. So grab your hands on it. So those kind of words. You also have our bold new. So by using just the word bold, it makes your sentence sounds more exciting. Like, what is so amazing about this product? It's bold. This is just an idea. Moving on now to the last two words, we have innovative. So you can also use this word, especially if your product is new or advanced, or it's something better than the one before. That's what makes it innovative. And the last idea for this video is you can of course use the latest. So instead of saying this is our new product, no, this is the latest product we have, or something like that. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful and that you got some new ideas to write your copy. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys will love to see more videos like this. I will be more than happy to do it. And with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon guys. Bye.